Dr. Mukul Sangma beri Menteri Rang Ba Barem Kejelau balong ru unong yalam kaliang persya ula kerencai ba tre asyo bandit Phai syaka Seng Kongres. Da kebaong bakalawe jugu kedon sabar jong ke Seng. Habakran ni kelak patai kubor hakalai terik unopra arajar arpusan Dr. Mukul Sangma ula penpau baga Jingmut jugi pat ba hagajela kalong kebakham kongsan banne ke Jingmut jong ke Seng. Ula batai baga Jingmi jugu na ke Seng Kongres kadekarai kabala perkat bah de ke Jingrai kensan da kabakadau bagadau jong ke Jingmi ke namar ke Jing kaja ke badon hapo jong ke Seng Kongres. Halor ke Jingrung biang upara jong Zenit Sangma ke Seng Kongres, Dr. Mukul Sangma ula pensyai bagi Jing de Sing Cisem ke Per na ke Jing kampat ba. Ulang bu Zenit Sangma ula banlong ke babaklah hakara jong penyesok biang bat ke Kongres. Berkata sepensisya. Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kedauru baku munong elam ula trehok ban penne ke kerteng bat kuburam ke bakham dondor bani ke kesiar bat ke rupa.
You see, there are two things. One thing is that I will not like to share my thoughts from family perspective. Family remains family because whether he goes to Congress or to anywhere, he remains my brother. But I want to tell you one thing, rather tell everybody. I may love my brother, I may love my sister, but once I have shared this with all of you earlier, once I have decided to be in public life, I do not remain monopoly of my family members alone. I became. That means I have hundreds of thousands of brothers and hundreds of thousands of sisters, nephews, and nieces. That's how I look at it. And that is the conviction with which I have been working. My work, and as far as my work, which has been over the decades seen by people, will be a testimony to what I say. You go to Ampati, you go to Garwits, you see whether Dr. Mukul has engaged in favoritism to really enrich his own siblings and relatives. You just go and see. I think it has become necessary for all of us to know that. Why I did that was because I wanted to lead by example. Maybe some other people also will take cognizance of this approach and understand the value of these, because more than the silver and the gold, I think the name and fame is worthier, is higher value. How we want to be remembered. So this is one thing which I have said. So Zenith will have. I think it's an aspirational move. He might have thought that his aspirations will be fulfilled if he sits, but he may be wrong. I am telling you, he may be wrong, and he will be wrong. I'll prove it. The interest of the people and the state supersedes everything else. It also supersedes the interest of any political party, any political dispensation. Now, it is not that I nurture this bitterness, but then if I share with you the truth, then it becomes bitter. You see? So it's not always so pleasant to share all our experiences. These are not something which has happened overnight. You know that I have left Congress and I have taken a very, very conscious decision. It's not that I have just jumped out, not thinking what to do, not having a plan for future. I definitely have a scripted chart of paths already scripted for the state of Meghalaya. As one of the members who have had the privilege of serving this state and building this state together with other leaders of the state. So I cherish them, and I still have time on my side, and it is my binding responsibility to see that the state that we have all collectively built together is somehow protected from all perspectives. And that responsibility is vested upon all the leaders,